Ku yi muna subscribe sannan ku danna alamar ƙararrawa domin samun sabbin shirye-shiryenmu.
Good day, Mr. Chairman, sir, panel of accurate timekeeper, my co-debaters, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good day to you all. My name is Nafisa Ismail from Prince International School. I stand here strongly, boldly to support the motion which says CCTV cameras should be replaced with the physical presence of security personnel within school. Before I proceed, I would like to define the following keyword: CCTV camera and security personnel. What is CCTV camera? C stands from close, the second C from circle, the TV stands from television. The closed circle television is a security monitor system that enables you to always keep a watchful eye around your business, organization, or school. While security personnel, on the other hand, also known as security officer, security inspector, protective agent, is a person employed by a government or private party to protect the party's assets, such as money, equipment, people, documents, etc. Now to my point. Firstly, CCTV surveillance systems are excellent deterrents against occurring incidents during school hours, such as bullying, unauthorized attacks, vandalism, cultism, discrimination. While a security personnel does not give that close attention to the school or the scholar. Mr. Chairman, sir, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, co-debaters, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are all human beings here, and we believe we can't survive for 24 to 48 hours without food, water, rest, or sleep. Let's consider a security personnel as a human being. A security personnel inherent in humans are love, care, compassion, and safety of their younger ones, which are the core values of security personnel. Mr. Chairman, sir, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum for you all. Alamin Ahmed is my name from Dawra Akon School, Gusau, standing in front of you to oppose the motion which says CCTV camera should replace physical presence of security personnel in schools. In addition to undoubtable points of my first speaker, I will continue my argument with the following. Almost, Mr. Chairman, sir, ease of operation. CCTV camera can be easily tampered with in time of security breach. Many cases have been recorded of CCTV camera being hacked and broken during theft and robbery, thereby giving easy go for robbery and abduction. For instance, if this is secured by CCTV camera, I can easily turn the lenses, cut the wires, or have the easy commit atrocity and get away with it. Mr. Chairman, sir, ladies and gentlemen, can security personnel be easily blinded or broken? Also, Mr. Chairman, sir, expensiveness. The cost of installation and maintenance of CCTV camera is relatively high. Mr. Chairman, sir, panel of judges, let's face the reality. You can all agree with me that revenues generated by both public and private schools cannot cater for installation and maintenance of CCTV camera. Unlike security personnel that only requires allowances mostly less than those of classroom teachers. To be frank, installation of CCTV cameras is openly mismanagement of school funds. My opponent, can you tell me any impact of CCTVs installed in Gusau other than the huge billions of naira imposed by the government? If installation of CCTVs in Gusau is of no use, of which will it be in schools? Moreover, Mr. Chairman, sir, maintaining orderliness. Orderliness is a core factor in an academic setting. To maintain orderliness, security personnel are needed, thereby ensuring that all school rules and regulations, as well as procedures, are respected and abided by students and staff. Orderliness is a factor.
Thank you.